In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowcharts in Microsoft Loop using Mermaid diagrams. If you're looking to enhance your visual communication skills within Microsoft Loop, understanding how to integrate flowcharts through Mermaid syntax can be incredibly helpful. Let's get started. First, navigate to loop.microsoft.com. If you're not already familiar, Microsoft Loop is a versatile canvas for your work. Once you're there, you're going to need a workspace to insert your flowchart. You can either open an existing workspace or create a new one depending on what suits your needs. Workspaces in Microsoft Loop are essentially where you organize and store your documents, so pick or make one that's best aligned with your project. Once you've accessed your workspace, you'll want to add a new page. This will be the foundation where your flowchart will live. If you already have a page that suits the purpose, feel free to use it. Whichever you choose, make sure it's the place you're ready to build on. Now here's where we dive into the technical aspects of crafting your flowchart. On your page, type a / followed by the word Mermaid. This simple action will trigger a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you'll want to select the option for Mermaid. Doing so sets the stage for your flowchart code and design. Once you're in the right spot, you can start writing your Mermaid syntax to generate your flowchart. The beauty of this system is that as you input your code, the Microsoft Loop will render your flowchart automatically. This immediate visual feedback can be incredibly useful in ensuring that your diagram is taking shape exactly as you envision. To define your flowchart, you'll start with nodes. Think of nodes as the different steps or actions within your flowchart. You can use simple letter designations like A, B, or C to represent these different components. These nodes are essential as they act as the fundamental building blocks of your flowchart. Next, you'll need to connect these nodes. This is done using the edge symbols, which are denoted by double dashes followed by a greater than sign. It's through these edges that you create the arrows or pathways between your nodes, visually depicting the flow or process. The shape of each node can vary depending on what you want it to convey. Use square brackets to depict standard boxes, curly braces for decision diamonds, and parentheses for rounded boxes. These shapes communicate different actions or information in your chart. Finally, you can enhance clarity by adding text labels to your nodes. Placing your text in quotes will allow you to insert clear and meaningful labels directly onto your flowchart. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create intricate and informative flowcharts in Microsoft Loop using Mermaid. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to visualize your ideas more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy charting.